In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coupon code in Wix. To get started, log into your Wix account and open the dashboard for the specific website where you want to create the promotion. This is important, especially if you manage more than one site, because coupon settings are connected to the individual website dashboard. Once you're inside the correct dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu. From there, click Catalog, and then select Coupon. This will take you to the area where you can manage promotional offers for your site. Next, click the New Coupon button, which is usually located in the top right corner. This opens the setup screen where you'll build your coupon. Now it's time to choose your coupon type and fill in the key details. First, enter the coupon code. This is the text your customers will type in during checkout, so keep it simple, clear, and easy to remember. After that, add a coupon name. This name is mainly for your own internal reference, so make it something that helps you quickly recognize the promotion later. Then set the discount. Depending on the offer you want to run, you can choose either a monetary amount or a percentage discount. Make sure the discount matches the promotion you're planning so here is no confusion for customers. Under the Apply options, select how the coupon should be used. You can choose from the drop-down whether it applies to all forms, a specific form, or only when a minimum order total is reached. This setting helps you control exactly when the coupon becomes valid, which is useful if you're targeting certain products, services, or spending amounts. After that, set the valid between dates. You'll want to define when the coupon starts and when it ends. If the option to leave it open-ended is selected, uncheck the setting that says not to set an end date so you can create a clear promotional window. This can help create urgency and also prevents outdated offers from staying active too long. If needed, you can also add tags. Tags can be helpful for organization, especially if you run multiple campaigns and want to sort or identify coupons more easily later on. Next, set your usage limits. You can control how many times the coupon can be used in total, or limit it per customer. This is a useful way to prevent overuse and keep your promotion within budget. Once everything looks correct, click Create Coupon to make it live. At that point, your coupon will be active and ready for customers to use. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.